Good evening. Can you hear me? මාව ඇහෙනවද? ඉනුරි ඇහෙනවද? සෙහන්ස?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now I am going to the last week remaining part of the first paper. I'm going to do. Okay. Can you see the question? What is it? Someone invest 80,000 to buy shares in a certain company. The market price of a share is 40 rupees. How many shares can someone buy? What is that? Can you get the? What is the formula for this? Number of shares equal to invest capital divided by share price. How many shares he can buy? Shares කීයක් ගන්න පුළුවන්ද? If you got the answer, send me to chat box. Yes, Sinori, answer is correct. Okay, we can divide the 80,000 rupees by 40. Okay. $2,000 shares. Okay. Then annual income. Income formula. Income. Okay. Income formula. Number of shares have to multiply by dividend. Okay. Now we know the how many shares we have. 2,000 What is the share dividend is? 4 rupees. How much the income? Annual income is 8,000 rupees by the dividend. Okay. If the amount used to buy shares was deposited for 1 year in a fixed deposit at annual rate of 12%, by how much would income be greater than that from shares? Okay. Then how much he invested in this company? It's 80,000 නේද? 80,000 තමයි ආ ඉන්වෙස්ට් කරන්නේ. එයා ඒ මුදල 108ක් වෙච්ච 112ක් වෙච්ච බැංක් එකක හරි මොකේ හරි ඒක ඩිපොසිට් කරා නම් ෆික්ස්ඩ් ඩිපොසිට් එකක එයාට ඉන්ට්‍රෙස්ට් එක විදියට හම්බ වෙනගෙන 12%. How we find the annual income by the interest? Okay, then we have to multiply by okay 800 multiplied by 12. What is the answer? Okay, what is the answer? Yes, Inuri, Tarul answers are correct. 9,600. Okay, next, if dividend income in the second year was greater by 50% than the income in part 1. Second, above the find the annual dividend paid for a share in the second year. Okay. Then, what is the if the dividend income in the second year was greater by 50% than the income in part second. Okay. It's 88,000. We have to multiply by 50. What is that? It's 4,000. The total is 12,000. Okay, 12,000. Now, second year income is 12,000. 12,000. Okay. If it's 12,000, how we find the dividend of this? Okay. Income is income equal to number of shares multiplied by dividend. Okay, now we know the income 12,000, number of shares is 2,000. Dividend is we have to find we can get it as a D. Okay, D is 12,000 divided by 2,000. Okay, we can 6 divided by 2 is 6 rupees. 12 divided by 2, 6 rupees. 6. If you finish, raise hand. Okay, the diagram show wall hanger consisting of a semicircle A and a triangle B in a rectangle PQRS. PQ equal to 21 centimeter and QR equal to 14 centimeter. Take 5 as 22 divided by 7, 22 over 7. What is the perimeter of the semicircle? Okay, how we find? Okay, how we find the first one? We have to find the perimeter. What is the perimeter is? What a Okay, there is a semicircle. Semicircle is full circle. We have to 25 R, its perimeter, but we have half of it. It's 5R. Then there is the, what is diameter? Diameter, we can call it as a 2R. Twice of R. R ඒ වගේ දෙගුණයක්. Radius 2 twice of radius. 22 over 7 multiplied by R is 7 centimeter and 2 multiplied by 7 centimeter. Then 22 centimeter plus 14 centimeter. Okay, what is that? Perimeter is 36 centimeter. Is it? Did you got?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, find the area of the semicircle A. How we find the semicircle? Full circle area is how we find. What is the formula for it? Full circle එක න 5R squared, is it? If it's semicircle, how we find? Half multiplied by 5R square divide by 2. What is 22? 22 over 7 centimeter multiplied by 7 centimeter. We have to divide it by 2. Okay. Then what is 11? 11 multiplied by 7 is 77 square centimeters. Okay. Is it the answer?
Yes.
Okay. Third one, write the ratio of the area of part A and B. Indicate it in the simplest form. What is the B shape? What is the shape of the B? B එකේ shape එක මොකක්ද? What is the shape? It's the rectilinear plane figure එකක්. It's a triangle. How we find the area of a triangle? B half multiplied by its base. Base එක. මෙන්න මේ base එක. Okay. Base, and we have to get the, what is the perpendicular height? We get perpendicular height as 7 centimeter. We know base is 14 centimeter. Perpendicular height is 7 centimeter. Okay. It's 7. 7 multiplied by 7 is 49 square centimeters. Then how we find the simplest form? A to B. What is the A? A area is 77. B area is 49. We can divide both by 7. If we divide the both by 7, what is? It's 11. 49 divided by 7 is 7. What is the simplest form is? 11 to 7. Fourth one, what is the answer? It's required to add a rectangular band which is equal in area to part B to the wall hanger. Draw with measurement in the diagram how this band can be added to PS as a margin. Okay, it's required to add rectangular band. It's a which it's equal to area part B. What is the area? Is the area of B? It's 49. Draw the measurements. Okay, PS measurement. You have to get how we get it. How we draw it. One is PS is a one margin. Like band, like this, it is a rectangular. One margin is PS. Then how we get? The area should be 49. It's equal to B. Then we know the PS area, PS length is PS multiplied by, if it's X equal to 49 square centimeters. Okay. PS is, we know, 14 centimeter. Multiplied by X, 49 square centimeters. Okay. X is equal to 49 divided by 14. Okay. Seven divided by 2. It's 3.5 centimeter. Okay. What is the additional part width is 3.5 centimeter. After you finish, raise hand. Isindu, after you finish, raise hand. I finish. Okay. Third question. What is that? Sujiva's pension gratuity is, what is that? 600,000. He deposited 2/3 of its bank. Have gave 20,000 to charity. and gave 20,000 as charity. What is the amount Sujiva deposited in bank? Can you find it? If you got the answer, send me it. Yes, Sinori answer is correct. What is the answer for the 600,000? Have to multiply by 2 over 3. It's 2, what is 400,000. 400,000 rupees. If bank pays compound interest of 8%, what is the interest he received in total for 2 years? For 2 years, okay? Can you calculate it? If bank pays compound interest of 8%, what is the deposited capital is? 400,000. Have to multiply by interest. What is the interest? 8. What is the time?
2 years.
Yes, 2 years. Can you get the answer? 4,000 multiplied by 16. What is the answer is 64,000. Okay. What is the amount of depositing in bank and giving charity? What is the amount left? Tiri mudala kiyada, what is the? What is the? 600,000 have to subtract 400,000, subtract 20,000. What is the answer is 180,000. Having deposited in the bank given to charity, he gave 1/3 of remaining amount to his daughter and rest of his wife. What is the amount of money received by wife? Okay, what is that? 180,000 have to multiply by 2/3. What is 60? Wife got 120,000. 1,20,000. Okay, did you got the answer? After you finish, raise hand. Isindu, I finish. ඉවරද? Isindu, I finish. Isindu, iverada. The Venn diagram shows some information about the group who sat for an examination. Okay. What is that? Universal set, children sit in the examination. A, sit in the examination, girls sit in the examination. B, children pass in the examination. Answer following using Venn diagram. How many girls pass the examination? Pass the all passes are 60. මෙතන 60යි කියලා තියෙනවා. Then what are the girls pass the examination? 60 minus 24. What is that? 36. How many girls pass the examination? 36. Okay, get the answers. Okay, describe those who represent by the shaded area. Who are them? Shaded area. The girls not pass the examination. girls not pass the examination. Represent the shaded area by set notation. What is the set notation? How we represent it? Can you get the answer? Get the answer. I will giving some time for you. Get the answer. What is the set notation? A intersect B dash. Okay. Write down it. A and B dash. Okay. What is the A set? I'm showing it. What is the A set? A set is here. Okay, තමයි A set එක. What is the B dash is? B dash is not belongs to B. B dash. Here. B dash. Then what is the intersection of the both? ඔය දෙකේම intersection එකේ තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද? මෙන්න මේ area එක නේද? Blue and red වලින් indicate වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. මෙන්න මේ area එක නේද? Then it's A, what is A intersection B dash. Okay. Write down it. If you finish, raise hand now. Tehansa, Isindu, after you finish, raise hand. Okay, I think you are finished. There are 5 handkerchiefs in a box. Okay. Of them, 3 are blue and 2 are red. One handkerchief is taken from the box randomly in color is noted and without putting it back. Another one is taken. Okay. Then in the grid mark the sample space showing the possible outcomes. What is the, if we didn't take without the replacement, okay, then its color is noted and without putting it back, okay, what is that? Is this has a diagonal? Make a diagonal එකක් තියනවාද? There is a diagonal or it's not have a diagonal? It's not have a diagonal because we don't replace. අපි අහපව් දාන්නේ නැහැ නේද? Okay. Then what is? We can hear. Okay. In the grid, mark the sample space showing the possible outcomes. B and R represent the blue and red respectively. Using it, find the probability of getting handkerchiefs of the same color on both occasions. Okay, what are the both occasions? We can take same color. What are the, if we take first time blue and second time blue, what are the? First take, this is the first take, okay? This is the second take. In first take, blue, second take, blue. What are they? This area. Then first take red, second take also red. What are they? This. Find the probability of getting handkerchiefs of the same color on the both occasions. What are they? How many outcomes here? I am circled. ඔතන කීයක් තියෙනවද? Can you count down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is it 8? 8 from how many? Total is how much? Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. What is that? 8 over 20. Can we simplify it? 8 over 20. Come the 8 over 20 simplify karo. If we divide by both by 2, 4 over 10. And next, we can again divide by which number? 2.
2 over 5.
Yes, 2 over 5. Probability is 2 over 5. If we can, its number in PA, if we can get PA or any other letter. Okay, I am get the PA, it's 2 over 5. Find the answer for the third one. First take එකේදී මොකද්ද කියන්නේ? Blue color එකක් හම්බෙලා second take එකේදී red color එකක් හම්බෙන්නේ කොහොමද? What is the first take එකේදී? First take එකේදී find the probability of getting blue one in the first take and the red one in the second take. One blue one in the first take and the red one in second take. How many process here? Total is 20. I marked up how many spaces is? What is
Six.
space? 6. Can you simplify it? What is the simplification of the fraction?
3/10.
Yes, 3/10. 3/10. We can use a letter for the describe the probability PB. Then what is the 3/10? අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් probability එකක් use කරනකොට මේ PA PB වගේ මොකක් හරි letter එකක් එක්ක probability එක use කරනවා. එතකොට මම ඒ හින්දා PA and PB note කරා. Okay. If you finish, raise hand now. I finish. ඉවරයි නේ. ලොකු දෙයක් නැහැ. The fifth question given a histogram. Give below is an incomplete histogram depicting information collect on the masses of a group of students. Using histogram, answer the following questions. Class intervals are given 40 less than or equal W less than 50. 50 less than or equal W less than 55. Okay. Lower limit included and upper limit not included. ඒ විදිහට තමයි මේ interval එක දීලා තියෙන්නේ. හරි. How many students are less than 50 kilograms? 50 වලට වැඩි අඩු අය කී දෙනෙක් ඉන්නවද අහනවා. What is that? Is it 5? What is the answer is?
40.
40 බලන්න number of students here මෙතන 5යි කියලා තියෙනවා නේද? How many students මෙතන එතකොට 50ට අඩු අය. අපේ මෙතන units කීයක් තියෙනවද බලන්න මෙතන 40 to 45 is 1 unit. 45 to 50 is 1 unit. මේකේ පහෙන් පහට තමයි ගිහිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ නේද? හරි. මෙතන එතකොට 10ක් ගිහිල්ලා තියෙනවා. එතකොට අපි යුනිට් දෙකක් ගිහිල්ලා තියෙනවා. අපි මේ ඒරියා එකෙන් තමයි අපේ ෆ්‍රීකවන්සි එක කැල්කියුලේට් කරන්නේ. 5 multiplied by 2 is what? It's 10 නේද? පහේ කැලි දෙකක් ඔයාලට පේනවද මෙතන තියෙනවා? Can you see? There is 2 5s. What is that? How many students are less than 50 in masses? 10 නේද? Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then state which class interval there are 15 students. What is the class interval? 15 students. What is the interval? 15ක් ඉන්නේ කෝකෙද? What is 50
50
less than
to 50.
equal 55 නේද? Is it? Okay. There are 30 students in the class interval 55 to 70. Indicate above indicate in the above histogram. How many? 30 students in how we represent it? 30ක් represent කරන්නේ කොහොමද? What is the height should be? උස කීයක් වෙන්න ඕනේ? If total students are 30, බලන්න මෙතන 55 නම් 70 වෙනකන් units කීයක් තියෙනවා? How many units there? කැලි කීයකට තියෙනවද? How many units? How many units? 3ක් නේද? මෙතන 1 2 3. We can divide by 30 by 3. Then we take the it's 10. What is the height is? Height should be 10 නේද? Is it? Then 3 multiplied by 10 is again
Yes, sir.
again we can get 30. Okay. What is the total number of students from data we collected? Draw the frequency polygon on this histogram. Inuri, how many students there?
— 55.
Yes, 55. Draw the polygon, frequency polygon. We take the middle at the intervals. අපේ interval වල midpoint තමයි අරගෙන අඳින්නේ. Then we take midpoint of every interval and we draw this. And here the polygon should be closed. හරි polygon එකක් මොකද වෙන්නේ closed shape එකක් නේ. එතකොට මේක වටෙන් cover වෙන්න ඕනේ. හරි. We use the only straight lines. Polygons are drawing by the straight lines. Okay. So we couldn't use the curved shape, curved lines. After you finish, raise hand. I think you are finished now. මම ඉවරයි කියලා හිතනවා. මේ මම අර group එකට දැම්ම second paper එක discuss කරන්න යන්නේ. Second paper එකේ අපි මුලින්ම graph එක අඳිමු. Do you have graph sheets? ඔයාලා ගාව graph sheets තියෙනවද? Draw the graph of the function 2 y equal 2 minus x squared within range -4 less than or equal x less than or equal to, and using the graph find the roots of the equation minus x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 0. Okay. Can you get the table? How we draw the table? Okay, table එක කොහොමද අපි අඳගන්නේ? x y -4 ඉඳන් කීයට වෙනකන් අඳිනවද? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 -3 -2 -1 0 1 2. Okay. Can you get the answers? මං පළවෙනි එක කියන්නම්. y equal 2 minus x plus 1 squared. 2 minus, we have to substitute the -4 plus 1 squared. 2 minus -4 plus 1 is -3 squared. 2 minus 3 squared is 9. 2 minus 9 is -7. Answer is -7. Okay. Get the other answers for the table. If you finish the filling table, raise hand. Y equal 2 minus x plus 1 squared, 2 minus 3 plus 1 squared, 3 minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 squared, 2 minus 2 squared is plus 4 minus 2. Answer is minus 2. Then y equal 2 minus x plus 1 squared. 2 minus x plus 1 is minus 2 plus 1 squared. 2 minus 1 squared. 2 minus 1. It's 1. Then plus 1 is the answer. If I am substitute 2 minus x plus 1, if it's minus 1, it's 2. Okay. So make කැලම 0 වෙනවා. It's y equal 2. 2 plus 2. Then 2 minus x plus 1 squared. Then 2 minus 0. 0 plus 1 squared. It's 2 minus 1. It's 1 plus 1. Then it's also going to the y equal 2 minus x plus 1 square. 2 minus 1 plus 1 squared. Then 2 minus 2 squared is 4 minus 2. Now you can see the, what is that? It's the reflection of the all this y. Then also minus 7 is here. Okay. Can you get it? If you finish the getting the table, raise hand. Table leg ගත්තා නම් raise hand කරන්න. Okay, I think you are finished now. ඇති නේද? Table එක ගහගන්න. Can you see my graph sheet? My graph. Okay. Then අපි graph sheet එකේ බලනවා ඉස්සරම what are the x axis -4 to +2 නේද? -4 ඉඳන් +2 ට. Okay. Now I am marking -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. අපිට මේක තව ටිකක් එහාට ගන්න පුළුවන්. මේ හරියට ගන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙනම් I am using the middle of this sheet. -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, likewise. Okay. Then you can draw the y-axis here. 0 වලින් ඉඳන් තමයි යන්නේ. What is the maximum of y? What is the maximum of y? y වලට තියෙන වැඩිම අගය කීයද? Check the y row. y row එකේ තියෙන වැඩිම කීයද? Is it +2? +2 ද වැඩිම තියෙන්නේ. +2 නේද? Yes. +3 වගේ එකක් මම use කරනවා. +3, +2, +1, then 0, 1, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. We can get -8 also here. -8. I am drawing the x-axis from the y0. Okay. Now you can put the x coordinates 1, 2. If you can get 3, also you can get x -1, -2, -3, -4. Can you draw the axes? What are y-axis? Can you see my graph sheet එක පේනවද? මේ විදිහට can you see? After you finish the getting the coordinate system on graph sheet, raise hand. ඒ ටික කරලා ඉවර නම් raise hand කරන්න. coordinate system එක ගහගත්තා නම් raise hand කරන්න. Okay. Now you can plot the මම හිතනවා දැන් ඔයාලට plot කරන්න පුළුවන් ඇති කියලා. What is the x is minus 4. හරි අපි බලමු first grid එක කොහොමද ගන්නෙ first point එක කොහොමද ගන්නෙ කියලා. හරි මේකේ බලන්න when x is minus 4 y is minus 7. Okay, ඔය විදිහට තමයි first point එක ගන්නෙ minus 4 minus 7. Okay, then I am taking it. Minus 4 minus 7. What is? The point is here. Minus 4 minus 7. You can take point and round up it. Okay. Then minus 3. What is the answer is? X is minus 3. Y is? What is? X minus 3 වෙනකොට y මොකද වෙන්නේ? කොහෙද point එක? X minus 3 y Taru, where is the minus
-2
minus 2? X is minus 2, y is
+1
plus 1. Then y is minus 1, x is minus 1, y is plus 2. Then 0, 1. Then 1 is minus 2. 2 is minus 7. Okay. Did you get the points? මේ වගේ points ටික ගත්තද? Did you got the points? Okay. Now you have to draw. Okay. මම මේ වගේ තැනකින් පටන් ගන්නවා. You have to draw the free hand. By free hand. Okay? Don't use the ruler or otherwise. Okay. Can you plot the graph like this? Report that. Okay. Did you draw the graph like this? මේ වගේ එකක් ආවද? After you got the graph, tell me. graph එක ගත්තා නම් raise hand කරන්නකො ඉවරලා. හරියටම ගන්න. smooth curve එකක් එන්න ඕනේ. You can got the smooth curve. graph එක ඇඳලා ඉවර නම් raise hand කරන්න. Tehansa Tarul, I finish.
Yes.
Okay. Tarul, I finish now.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm going to the questions. First one, you can expand this function. May function එක expand කරන්න පුළුවන්ද? Can you do? What is? If I am expand it, x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay, then 2 minus x squared minus 2x minus 1. Okay, then x squared minus 2x. We can simplify 2 and minus 1. It's plus 1. Hari. Then what is the function is now? Function is y equal minus x squared minus 2x plus 1. එතකොට මේ function එකේම තියෙන එකකින් තමයි අපිට දීලා තියෙන්නේ මේ equation එක. Function එක මොකද වෙන්නේ? The function is we can call y equal වගේ තමයි function එකක් එන්නේ. හරි? ඒකෙම එතකොට මේ y එක 0 කරලා තියෙනවා. Now it's a equation. හරි? equation එක මොකද මේක 0 වලට equal කරලා තියෙනවා. function එක එහෙම නැහැ. ඒකේ තියෙන්නේ y equal කියලා තමයි තියෙන්නේ. හරි? මේ graph එක අපි යන්නේ function එකකට. හරි? එතකොට how we find the roots of this equation. හරි? මේ equation එක මේක 0 කරත් y 0 වෙන්නේ. හරි? How we find the y0 roots. Okay. Now I am showing it from your graph. What is y is 0. Here is your y-axis. Y is 0 in this. Okay. Y0 x positions are there. Right? මෙන්න මෙතනයි. හරි. ඔන්න ඔය question දෙකේ what are the x coordinates? It's -1, -2, about what is -2.304 කීයක් වගේද වෙන්නේ? මට කියන්න බලන්න කවුරු හරි ඔයාලට ආව එකේ කොහොමද තියෙන්නේ? What is? It's -3.20 sorry 2.3 or 2.4 මට තියෙනවා -2.3 වගේ. And what is the plus one is? What is 0.4? Is it 0.4 වගේද? මෙන්න මේ values දෙක වගේ දෙන්නේ. Is it -2.3 or 3 and 0.4? Is it Inuri?
Yes, sir.
Now we can tell the roots are x equal -2.3 and x equal 0.4. Okay. Then what is the? අපි එතකොට first question එක හරි. හරි. Then how we find next one? Second one. If the roots of equation A plus x plus b squared equals 0 are 2 and 4. Find the pair of values matching for a and b. Okay, can you find it? ඔයාලට ඒක හදන්න අමාරු නම් කොහොමද දැන් ඔය කියන්නේ x equal 2 කියන එක නේද roots වලින් කියන්නේ x equal 4 කියනවා. හරි. Can you find x minus 2 like 0? හරි. x minus 4 equal 0 කියනවා. හරි. අපිට ඔහොම කියන්නේ. හරි. දැන් මේකේ අන්න ඔහොම තමයි ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ කලින් එකේ නම් x equal minus 2 ඔය විදිහට තමයි ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ. Then how we find now? Then we can get the x minus 4. හරි ඔය දෙකේම multiplication එක 0 වෙන්න ඕනේ නේද? Okay. Now can you simplify these two brackets? ඔය brackets දෙක simplify කරන්න බලන්න. Can you do it? What is x multiplied by x is x squared. Then x multiplied by 4x. Then minus 2x plus 8 equal to 0. What is x squared minus 6x plus 8 equals 0. What is the should be the our equation? Like a plus x plus b squared 0. හරි ඔය විදිහට තමයි තියෙන්න ඕන. හරි. How we convert it? I am taking plus 8 for the front of the equation. Then other remaining part in the backward. Okay. Then how we represent x square minus 6 as a square? How we represent it? I am taking x minus 3 and take its square and subtracting 9. Okay. Minus 3 वाला square आएगा. अभी remove करना है, subtract करना. If we මම මේක ආයෙ පාරක් ඕන පෙන්නන්නම් කොහොමද එන්නේ කියලා. මේක x minus 3 squared. If I am expand x squared minus 6x plus 9 minus 9. හරි ඔකට ඔක කැපිලා යනවා එහෙම. හරි. මම මේ විදිහට තමයි ගත්තේ. Then plus 8 plus minus 9 ආයෙ මම ඉස්සරහට ගන්නවා. Then x minus 3 squared equal to 0. Then 8 minus 9 is minus 1 plus x minus 3 squared. What are the values for a and b? A වගේ තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද? minus 1. B වගේ තියෙන්නේ minus 3. Okay. මේ වගේ තමයි තියෙන්නේ. මේක ටිකක් අමාරු graph ගානක්. first part එක නම් කරගන්න පුළුවන්. second part එක පොඩ්ඩක් අමාරුයි. මේ වගේ ඒවා exam එකටත් එනවා සමහර වෙලාවට. Okay. You have to ready for it. After you finish, raise hand. Okay, are you finished? I'm going to the second question of it. Okay, second question again. There is a algebraic question. One of algebraic question at the a plus 3 cubic equal to a cubic plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubic. Okay, how we find it? We can expand using the result. You have to expand a minus 1 cubic. Okay. ඔයාලට මේක කලින් තියෙන result එක use කරලා තමයි කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. a plus b cubic equal to a cubic plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b to the power 3. Okay, we can tell b cubic. Okay. දැන් බලන්න b වගේ තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද? b වගේ මේකේ මොකද්ද තියෙන්නේ? What is that? What is the b? b වගේ තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද? plus b වෙනුවට මොකද්ද ඔගේ තියෙන්නේ? පල්ලේකේ.
what is බලන්න පොඩ්ඩක් වෙනස බලන්න දෙකේ b වගේ තියෙන plus b වෙනවනේ මොකද්ද තියෙන්නේ කියන්නේ Tarul Sehansa what is that Sehansa මොකද්ද තියෙන්නේ b වගේ තියෙන්නේ කි Inuri
-1
-1 තියෙන්නේ එතකොට plus 3 a squared එතකොට b වෙනුවට තියෙන අපි හැම තැනකම දාන්න ඕනේ -1 මේ -1 එක තියෙන්නේ multiplication එකක් එක්ක then b a -1 squared and -1 cubic okay what is බලන්න a to the power 3 a cubic then බලන්න මේ -1 එකකින් මේ term එකම multiply වුණොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ මේ තියෙන ඉස්සරහා තියෙන plus sign එකට what is it's convert into the minus because මේ ඔක්කොම multiply වුණොත් මේක තියෙන්නේ දැන් 3a 3 multiply by a squared multiply by -1 ඔහොමනේ තියෙන්නේ එතකොට -1 +1 තිබ්බ ගමන් මෙතන -1 3a squared then -1 multiply by -1 what is මම මේ කියන්නේ මේ මෙතෙන්ට මොකද වෙන්නේ -1 squared if 2 minus sign දෙකක් multiply වුණොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ its sign is convert into the plus වෙනවා නේද එහෙනම් 3a වෙනවා හරි then other again multiply by minus දැන් ආයි minus වෙනවා මේක දැන් බලන්න minus 3 power එක minus නම් ඒ කියන්නේ odd නම් what is the sign is -1 right what is the expand form of the a -1 cubic or power 3 right can you identify it right 105 why 105 to the power 3 how we get without the calculator you have to use the result a plus b cubic 100ට කීයක් එකතු වුණාමද 105 වෙන්නේ what is කීයද අපේ වෙන මොනවත්ම කිසිම දෙයක් නෑ අපිට ලියන්න තියෙන්නේ a plus b 3 a3 b a to the power 2 b plus 2 3 ab squared plus b cubic what is 100ට කීයක් එකතු වුණාමද 105ද තරුන් 100 ධන 5 105යි නේ and we can get cubic 105 cubic a වගේ තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද what is same to the a තරුන් a වගේ තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද 1 Then 302 multiplied by 5. 300, 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 3. Okay, now can you simplify it? Six zeros. 3 multiplied by 10,000 multiplied by 5. 125. Okay, can you get the final answer now? What is the final answer is? Kegalle. Yes, Tarul answer is correct. If you finish, raise hand now. $1,000,000 and 157,625 කියලා එන්නේ. If you finish, raise hand now. If you finish, raise hand now. තරුල් ඉවරද? හරි ඉවරයිනේ. Okay. Now asking to factorize it. Okay. මොකද factorize කරන්න කියන්නේ කොහොමද? You can see the common terms in these terms. What are the common terms? You can take out all the common terms from the bracket. What is? We can take out square 6x square minus x minus 1. Now, can you factorize this term? How we? It's a polynomial function. What is? We multiply these two coefficient of x squared within the constant. What is 6 multiplied by minus 1? It's about minus 6. Okay, what is that? We can get the what are the multiple of 6? කොහොමද ලියන්න පුළුවන්? ගුණිතයන් දෙකක් විදියට multiple of two numbers. How we can write the minus 6? 3 multiplied by 2 and 1 should be minus value. Minus 3 and plus 2. If it add in, we can get minus 1. තොර මේ මැද ටර්ම් එක එනවා නේද? හරි. 6x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 1. Okay. Then we can take 3x from first one and 2x minus 1 plus 1, 2x minus 1. Okay, a squared 2x minus 1, 3x minus 3x plus 1. Okay, these are the factorize of this 2x minus 1, 3x plus 1. Okay. After you finish, raise hand. If you finish, raise hand now. Inuri, I finish. Okay. Third one is 2 minus a minus 5 square minus 3. If we simplify the two fractions, අපිට minus හරි addition එක operators යටතේ if we can simplify the two fractions අපිට මේ denominator එක equal වෙන්න ඕනේ. හරිද? දැන් අපිට මේකේ එහෙම පේන්නේ නැහැ. ඊට පස්සේ අපි බලනවා මේකේ a minus 5 කියන එක we can take one minus sign out from the bracket. Then මම මෙතන minus එකක් ඉස්සරහට දාගත්තා. Then 2a minus 5 squared minus 3. දැන් මෙතන minus 1 එකකුත් තියෙනවා minus 1 එකක් මෙතනක් තියෙනවා. එතකොට අපිට plus 1 කියලා දාන්න පුළුවන්. හරි? Because මම කියන්නම් මේ minus 1 එක මෙහෙම තිබ්බට මම මේක උඩට දාගන්නවා. It's a numerator. We can take it, divide by minus 1, it's minus 1. We can take plus 1 plus 3 a minus 5. Now we can convert the, what is the common denominator is a minus 5 squared. Okay, 2 minus 3 a minus 5. Okay, what is the answer? 3a plus 15. मैं multiply करा. Okay, plus 15 a minus 5 squared. What is minus 3a plus 17 a minus 5 squared. Okay. After you finish, raise hand. Sehansa, I finish.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Make it two questions sticker. I will discuss in next week. Okay. Can you do it at home? ගෙදරදී කරන්න පුළුවන්ද? මම WhatsApp group එකේ දාලා තියෙනවා paper එක. හරි. I think you can do it. හරි අපි next week discuss කරමු බැරිටි. හරි. Do you have any question what we did today? අද කරපුවා මොනවද? Okay. Inuri, do you have any question? Sehansa? නෑනේ. හරි. එහෙනම් මම අදට ක්ලාස් එක නතර කරනවා. එහෙනම් good night. Okay.
Good night, sir.
Okay.